This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Put on safety glasses and gloves. You need a center punch and a 3mm drill bit and a cordless drill. This starts the rivet removal without cracking the plastic. Use the center punch to make a small dimple so the drill won't wander, then clamp the plastic in a vise with soft jaws to prevent deformation. Start drilling at low speed and tap gently. You're removing the rivet head while minimizing heat and vibration that could melt or split the plastic. Once the dimple is established, drill with steady pressure at low speed. Pause frequently to clear chips and prevent heat buildup. If the rivet is thicker, step up 1 bit size to remove material faster while controlling stress. Stop drilling when you reach the rivet shoulder so you don't enlarge the hole. After the head is loosened, insert a flathead screwdriver under the remaining lip and pry gently. You want to pop off the head without deforming the plastic or widening the hole. After removing the head, push the mandrel through toward the larger opening using a punch or the drill bit in reverse. You can also tap it out with a small hammer if needed. Once clear, deburr the hole with a light file or 400 grit sandpaper so replacement fasteners sit flush. If the plastic flexes or starts to crack, stop and apply gentle localized heat to relax stresses, then finish slowly. This prevents propagation and helps you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.